What if tomorrow's AI didn't wait for your commands, but made its own decisions, faster, smarter, and sometimes without you even knowing? Welcome to the era of Agentic AI, a new generation of intelligence that doesn't just follow orders, it acts on them. Unlike traditional AI, which waits for human input, Agentic AI sets goals, builds strategies, adapts to change, and often surprises even its own creators. In 2026, humanity has crossed a new threshold. We're not just teaching machines how to think, we're teaching them how to choose. And that changes everything. Section 1. What exactly is Agentic AI? Until recently, AI behaved like an advanced calculator, brilliant but obedient. You asked a question, it gave you an answer. Agentic AI is different. It understands intent, not just instruction. It's designed to interpret goals, plan tasks, and execute independently. Imagine this. You ask your AI assistant to plan your trip to London. Before you blink, it's already checked your passport expiry, found cheaper flight alternatives, shifted your work meetings, and booked your hotel near your favorite coffee shop, all without waiting for confirmation. That's Agentic AI. It doesn't just answer questions. It decides which question should come next. Direct Hit Real example. Google's experimental AutoGPT prototypes and OpenAI's GPT agents can already browse the web, write code, summarize findings, and act toward goals autonomously, from building apps to managing emails. Section 2, the core of autonomy: perception, planning, and action. So, how does Agentic AI think for itself? It operates through a feedback cycle of perception, planning, action. Perception. The AI absorbs the world through sensors, cameras, and massive data streams. Planning. It calculates possibilities, predicting the best path toward its goal. Action. It executes and instantly adapts if the environment changes. It's the same logic your brain uses while driving a car: perceiving, predicting, correcting, except now the driver might be an AI managing a city grid or a factory floor. Direct Hit Real example. Tesla's full self-driving beta uses this exact model. Cameras feed perception, neural nets plan next moves, and real-time feedback adjusts actions millions of times per second.
Section 3. Real projects leading this revolution. This is not a sci-fi movie. It's real, and it's accelerating. OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic, and Meta are all racing to build agentic frameworks, AI systems capable of completing entire workflows independently. In 2026, OpenAI's internal project Voyager shocked researchers when a GPT-based agent learned to play and survive inside Minecraft, mining, building, and adapting without direct human instruction. DeepMind's AlphaCode 2 already writes and refines code autonomously, while Anthropic's constitutional AI attempts to balance autonomy with moral alignment, teaching AIs to reason about ethics. This marks a major shift. From prompt-based AI to goal-based AI. Soon, you won't tell your AI how to do something, you'll tell it what outcome you want. Section 4, the promise: super efficiency and unimaginable productivity. Agentic AI isn't just intelligent, it's tireless. It never sleeps, never procrastinates, and never burns out. Imagine a world where businesses run 24/7, AI teams handling logistics, product design, even customer care. In medicine, AI agents simulate drug interactions across billions of molecules in hours, accelerating discoveries that once took decades. Direct Hit Real example. Companies like In Silico Medicine and DeepMind's AlphaFold have already revolutionized drug discovery by predicting protein structures, saving years of human research. And in education, adaptive AI tutors personalize lessons to each student's pace, style, and mood, offering patient, precise guidance that no human teacher could sustain indefinitely. This isn't about replacing people. It's about unlocking a new era of super productivity. Section 5, The risk, when AI chooses differently than us. But every bright light casts a shadow. When machines start choosing, they don't always choose like us. Agentic AI optimizes for efficiency, not empathy. It makes logical choices, not moral ones. Imagine a self-driving car forced to choose between two collisions. Or a trading AI that wipes out thousands of jobs to protect profit margins. These aren't just hypothetical. In 2025, algorithmic trading systems already caused many flash crashes by reacting faster than humans could intervene. Once we give AI the freedom to act, we also give it the responsibility, and danger, of deciding what matters most. Section 6. Can we still stay in control? Here lies the defining question of our age. When AI acts freely, can humans still stay in charge? This is called the alignment problem, making sure AI's goals always stay aligned with human values. Leading labs are now building safety layers, secondary AIs that oversee, limit, and even override other AIs. Think of them as digital guardians. Code that polices code. But control is slippery. As systems grow more complex, predicting their next move becomes like predicting a storm from a single raindrop. Direct hit real example. OpenAI, Anthropic, and DeepMind are all investing heavily in AI alignment research, from reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, to autonomous oversight models designed to audit decisions in real time. Section 7, The Future, Symbiosis or Surrender. The rise of agentic AI is not just technological, it's philosophical. It forces us to redefine what it means to be in control. The future may unfold in two directions. Symbiosis, a partnership where humans and AIs collaborate, combining logic with empathy. Or surrender, where we quietly hand over the decisions that shape our lives, one automation at a time. The choice we make today will determine whether AI becomes our greatest ally or our silent ruler. Direct hit real example. In 2026, companies like xAI and Anthropic are actively exploring human-in-the-loop frameworks, ensuring humans remain part of every major decision chain, not just observers. The choice that defines tomorrow. Every great innovation begins with a question. And this one might be the most important of all. If we build machines that can choose, will we still be the ones defining what's right? Agentic AI isn't the end of human intelligence. It's the beginning of shared intelligence, a partnership between logic and conscience. As we step into 2026 and beyond, remember. The real question isn't whether AI can think. It's whether we can guide what it chooses to become.